commercial vehicles. So it is a tough road to hoe if you're out and about today. Guys, back over to you.
All right, Rick Perez, live in the traffic center. Thank you so much.
Oh, as we continue this blizzard of 2006 here and coverage, our photojournalist Josh White is up on the Boulder Turnpike. That's, of course, you.
Articulate something, Josh.
I can definitely tell you RTD is not running any buses.
See if I can get Connor to come
right now.
on this.
But I will say this, about 10 minutes ago, about 5 or 6 CDOT clouds came through.
Dad, why are you recording this now?
So I can put it on YouTube real quick,
Why are you putting that on YouTube?
so people can see the storm.
Ah!
Now the driveway here has been shoveled a couple of times yesterday.